I got it. Testing viral TikTok products part 2. Let's open this up. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's got like some heft to it. Let's see what else you get in here. I don't know what that is. Accessories. Okay, see it. Nice. Okay, so we got this above average USB-C cable. And then we got a little lanyard. Oh, and then we got like the little suction tip, the flat one. And this one's got the flat one so far. Now right there is an on button. I'm gonna press and hold it. Now I'm gonna try to connect it on my computer. Humbert speaker. Connected. Drag this over here. So as you guys can hear, it's playing through this, but it's not loud at all. Now, before I start to put this on a bunch of stuff, drop a like, follow, comment. I'm about to go put this in my car. All right, we outside. All right, so here's the front of my car. I'm about to play this. Yeah, it's just a Bluetooth, so like, it doesn't sound like anything. And then, that's cool. Yeah. Looking for you in the crowd. I'm about to try this in the trash can. All right, nothing. It's like not loud at all. Yeah. Troy needs to drop this. Okay, so for my final thought, should you buy this, yes or no? I think no. It's definitely a cool little trick, but it does not get loud enough for you to be like blasting. If I were you guys, I'd just save a little bit more money and get like a proper Bluetooth speaker. So yeah, it's definitely cool, but it's not worth the money.